truly to be inspired from by Vikings. And I've already spoken about the history of Vikings, but just to take you into more detail, a short glimpse, a short story about our Vikings ventures through the AV. Can we please have the AV? The journey has been beautiful with your support, and as said, this is just the beginning. There's a lot more coming up ahead. And as mentioned in the AV, and also as I spoke about, that we have ventured in almost all possible activities till now, whether it was FMCG, realty, aviation, paper products, hospitality, infrastructure, or entertainment and philanthropic activities. It has all been possible with your support. And tonight is really special, and to take the evening ahead, I'd like to call upon stage a man who is known by all, not just an entrepreneur, not just a visionary, not just a leader, but a sportsman, an actor, a great actor, a celebrity, and a face, I would say the captain of the ship, the flag bearer. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Sachin J. Joshi to please join us on the stage and to address the audience. Let's have a huge round of applause, please.
Good evening, everybody. As you have seen, Viking Ventures and the most important amongst all lines that really keeps me going is that we've just started. As you all rightly know, we have a diversified interest in various areas. Just as आप लोगों ने देखा कि alcohol is something that we've just ventured in. और it's very important कि life में आपको क्या करना है, I mean क्या हासिल करना है. I mean the most important thing that keeps me going is my passion towards building businesses, running different businesses, and the aim that I have started off, and because we are a large country, India, you know, we have to contribute a bit to the society, to the people, to the world. मेरा एक सोचना है कि सबसे अच्छा तरीका हो सकता है कि अगर आप ह्यूमन रिसोर्स के थ्रू अगर 100,000 फैमिलीज मतलब 1,00,000 फैमिली वाइकिंग के लिए जिस दिन काम करेगी, आई थिंक दैट इज द डे आई विल बी हैप्पी. सो दैट इज द एम दैट कीप्स मी ड्राइविंग टुवर्ड्स दिस गोल. एंड similarly in all the businesses, I think I've just reached to the fraction. Today we have nearly 5,000 families working along directly, indirectly with Viking as a company. So I won't take much of your time. Abhi hum log yahan aaye hain for the launch of our new vertical in the alcohol segment. We are here to launch the brand Royal Oak, and as rightly said, it's always a team effort, and I think भले ही आप हमारी interaction ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, लेकिन आप लोग यहाँ हैं, I feel and I consider you are also a part of my team to the growth and to the success. Thank you all very much for coming here and gracing the occasion. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion, it is time to announce and unveil the product for all of us. We have been waiting for the special moment for which all of us are present over here. Let us unveil and set forth opening this special moment where we see the packaging and the special bottle of our new venture by Vikings. Please put your hands together and let's have a view of the product that we have been waiting for.
थोड़ा सा मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा रॉयल ओक के बारे में. रॉयल ओक as a brand has been worked upon with a lot of detail. Especially, अगर आप Royal Oak को देखेंगे, it is blended whiskey. It is not from Scotland, but माना जाता है कि अगर whiskey हो तो Scotland से होनी चाहिए. But I don't feel like that. I think हमारे homegrown, मतलब इंडिया में भी इतना talent है, इतनी ताकत है, इतने अच्छे blenders हैं कि वो इंडिया में भी अच्छी whiskey बना सकते हैं. So Royal Oak की एक और जो खास बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, it has oaks, it has been barreled, it has whiskey which has a blend of 28-year-old whiskey as well. तो ये एक खाली एक alcohol based product नहीं है, इसमें जो blends हमने use किए हुए हैं 28 साल पुराना भी है, 7 साल पुराना भी है और 3 साल पुराना है. तो इसको एक perfect blend हमारे blender ने इसको बनाया है. And it is none other than Vijay Montecruz. He's here. So I would like him to come and talk about Royal Oak more in detail of how this brand has eventually come. See, for us, it's very clear that Royal Oak, it's a flagship brand, but at the end, अगर कोई चीज़ बिक सकती है दुनिया में तो वो सिर्फ क्वालिटी होती है. So that is what we've really worked upon. आप सभी लोगों को इसकी सैम्पलिंग होगी, आप देखिए. And for me, the first view is most important with our trade partners. आप लोग सभी लोग यहाँ हैं. It would be nice to know more about the brand. Come, Vijay.
Thanks, Sachin ji. Well, I'll not speak much about because Sachin ji has already spoken about the brand. Basically, this Royal Oak, it has taken us almost a year to develop the brand. We had given so many samples to Sachin Joshi, but as time went, he kept on rejecting a lot of the blends that we made for him. But finally, when we were sitting in Planet Hollywood, he liked one blend that we had made for him, which was mixed with, as he said, 28 years old plus 3 years old. And basically, I'll just tell you a few things about this blend. We have matured this malt over a period of time for 28 years with the help of Royal Oak chips, which comes all the way from America. There are different types of chips, Royal Oak chips, bourbon chips, but right now you can get oak chips even in Spain. But these are imported from America, refurbished in Scotland, and then imported in India. And that's how we made this whiskey. So, yeah, thank you.
Basically, I can say proudly that Royal Oak is a true Indian whiskey, blended whiskey.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause while we bring forward to you the one and only, the Royal Oak Gold Edition, which is a premium grain blended whiskey crafted by blending 25-year-old Indian malts with the selected ages Scotch. So would you like to announce? No. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as rightly mentioned, that when we put together the Indian malts with selected age Scotch, when you mix both of them, when we think about Scotch, we can, Indian Scotch doesn't ever come to our mind, doesn't ever hit to our mind, but this is one product where we are bringing in front of you the Indian malts with selected ages Scotch. And I'm sure you must be wondering why and where does this name oak come from? Well, it is being distilled in the barrels made up of oak, and it has been matured in the tropical climate of Goa. So being matured in oak barrels along with oak chips, and hence the word oak comes derived from. Moving ahead, we have a short AV where we talk about the brand, the Royal Oak. So let's have a look at the AV, please.